Hi guys, welcome back to my channel My Nest Stories. I hope you all guys are doing good and we are good too. Today's weather is calm and I really wish it remains calmer until Bangalore roads are completely recovered. This video is about my evening to night routine. Generally our evenings are packed up with office meeting, but every day is a different one and today is one of them too. My evening meeting got cancelled last moment, and that's the happiness for today. Hence, I decided to prepare some snack along with coffee. As I don't get time to do so often, hence, along at 4:30, I'm in the kitchen to prepare some coffee. The freshly brewed coffee smell acts as a stress buster for us. I have decided to prepare some veg cutlet as I have some leftover carrots and beetroots in my fridge from last week which I wanted to finish it up. I have pre-boiled the veggies along with some potato and allow them for cooling. While the veggies are getting cold, here I am preparing the masala for the cutlet. To do so, in a chopper I have added onions and green chilies along with some corn and peas with adding some salt and turmeric and preparing a coarse paste out of it. Once that is done, I'm going to transfer the masala into a bowl along with the boiled veggies and prepare a dough out of it by adding some all-purpose maida and ginger garlic paste. And now the cutlet dough is ready. In a plate, I have taken some corn flour along with water and pepper powder to prepare a thick paste out of it to coat the outer side of the cutlet. And now the cutlets are ready. I am using air fryer here to fry the cutlet. This is quick and oil free too. The cutlets are done and it's time for plating. I have added the next batch of cutlets into the fryer, and while they are preparing, it's time to enjoy the snack along with some favorite music. Around 8ish, I'm again back to kitchen for preparing the dinner. It's raining heavily outside. The weather is too harsh for the Bangalore. I have decided to prepare tofu paratha in dinner today. For that, I am first preparing the chutney here, for which I have taken some coriander leaves, some mint leaves, some green chilies, some garlic and some lemon. I will add all of these items into a mixture jar along with some curd and salt and make a paste out of it. The chutney is prepared. It is fresh, tasty, tangy and spicy. For the paratha stuffing, I have taken here onions, potato, tofu and green chilies. I will first transfer the boiled potatoes into a bowl and rest of the items I'll add into the chopper and prepare a mixture out of it by adding some turmeric and salt into it. The stuffing is ready for the paratha here, and I have kneaded the atta as well in the evening itself. It's time to prepare the parathas now. Parathas are super quick and healthy. Whenever I'm exhausted with my work or feels lazy to prepare the dinner, I'll choose these kind of parathas. It goes well with any kind of chutney or simple curd along with some sugar. While I'm preparing the dinner, my husband is enjoying the nail biting match. All parathas are done and the dinner is ready. It's time to enjoy the dinner along with our favorite show.
My God! Mimi, thank you, मम्मी पापा मतलब नीचे ही पढ़ाई करते actually कभी you know what? If we setting downside में, then you know खुली हवा putting on our head पे, when it's putting on our head पे, then we studying peacefully. Formula going inside the head पे. जाओ. Okay, bye, good night. Let's go. First, nothing comes in.
After dinner, I'm again back to kitchen for the cleaning. Hence I started first with the dishes. All the dishes are done and I am drying them in the dish drainer. I am using the dish drying mat from IKEA here to dry out my glass and ceramic bowls along with the kitchen appliances. It absorbs the water and at the same time keeps them scratch free and keeps my kitchen counter clean too. I will also clean my hob and chimney every day post dinner without mess. And it's done. I will also wipe out the taps to ensure there are no water marks on it to keep them shiny. All done. Now my kitchen is super clean. This clean kitchen gives me the reliefness for the next day morning. It's raining heavily outside. The night is getting deeper and darker. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. I'll soon come up with another video. Until next time, stay tuned and stay healthy. Take care. Bye-bye.